Hi everyone, we have our fantastic patient Ariel here. Ariel is 6 months after an abdominoplasty or tummy tuck, and she has a very interesting and rare condition, which is more common in this practice than other practices. It's called Poland syndrome. And we reconstructed her right Poland syndrome and removed her implant on the right side, and we used her own fat from her body to reconstruct that very, very small breast compared to her other more natural looking breast. So would you please share with them kind of the story, how you were referred here, what we talked about, your experience so far with the office and with your recovery?
Sure, yeah. Well, I didn't even know I had Poland syndrome. I just didn't know why I didn't have a breast on one side. When I was 16 or 17, I got just a breast implant on one side, so I would be a bit more even. But of course, at 16 or 17, your body is very different than when you're in your 30s and have had a child and life kind of continues. And so it was extremely different. Very, hard on your self-esteem. You had to wear special bras. It was not a pleasant experience. And then I got sent here, which was amazing. I found out I had Poland syndrome, which no one told me. And they gave me more options. I did not know that I could do fat transfer, so I wouldn't have to have a breast implant anymore. Because that meant a lot to me, to no longer have a foreign object in my body. And I had a lot of scar tissue around the implants that was causing pain and puckering and just really, really unpleasant things. And the office was great. I got an appointment, got a surgery date. It went really well. Of course, it was painful because it's surgery. It's going to be painful.
The tummy tuck is painful.
Yeah, the tummy tuck was very painful. But the results are well worth it. It just night and day difference. So much better. Oh my goodness. So thank you so much. I feel so much better.
Thank you. So a couple of points. Poland syndrome is actually a very rare diagnosis where there is marked difference in the size of the breasts. It can affect the pectoralis muscle on one side. I've seen cases of Poland syndrome with the ribs on that side. The chest doesn't develop appropriately. It can also affect the upper extremity or the arm on that side. It's really beautifully reconstructed with patient's own fat. And this is also a great story of how we can remove breast implants in just an average woman with breast implants and replace it with their own fat. And it can look super natural, feel natural, and no more revision surgery is necessary. And so please make an appointment, come into our office. And thank you for sharing your story.
Yes, of course. Thank you.
All right, everyone. Talk to you soon.